Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this product right here, but let's go ahead and get right into this. So this is a nail drill by this brand right here, which is Home Easy, and it is a Elixir nail art set. This tells you a little bit about it, but let's go ahead and actually see how it works. I actually need to apply some nails, so that's what we're going to be doing today. This is actually really nice to keep it in if you want to. It kind of comes with everything. So you have your nail drill and all your accessories and stuff in here. Comes with a little user manual right here that'll tell you how to use it. These are the accessories that it comes with, which a lot of times I'll just like take everything out and just put it in here and just keep the box so that I can use the box. This is the charger to charge the main device. You don't have to keep it plugged in. Once it's charged, which is nice. This will go right here. And then this will go to the nail drill itself, like right here. This is really pretty. It's like all like ombre, pink and purple. It comes with all of these little drill bits, which is everything you would need to do nails, along with this. And then this metal one, which is for like acrylics if you really need to take a lot down. I've actually never had one come with this much stuff, which is really nice. So it has all the different bits and everything that you'll need for these. Comes with a little brush so that you can brush off your nails. And that's everything that comes in here. So I'm going to be applying these. This is what I always apply. Now I did already push back my cuticles and everything. You want to do that prior, which it does have a cuticle bit, which I'll show you right now. So I like to go through and see what nails are actually going to fit my fingers. See, like this one's perfect. So I just kind of push it underneath the nail bed and see what it's going to look like. And then I'll do that to all my nails. They all have numbers, so this is number 2, so I know to grab another number 2 for the other hand. And then I just go from there and just keep trying different ones to see which ones fit. This one looks like it's going to fit this one perfectly. And that is a number 4. Okay, so I have all my nails laid out that I'm going to be using. So you're just going to open them up like this, and then you're going to figure out which ones you need. I'm going to go underneath my nail bed a little. So I'm going to go in with this little sharp one right here for now. And then all you do is you twist this over until this is loose. Pull that right out. That's just the metal bar. Push this in. And then lock it into place. Make sure that it's locked all the way, otherwise it's not going to work. And you can see, so it goes all the way up to 40, but I'm going to keep it, I usually keep it like 5 at most. It does have like a little thing, if you wanted to clip it to you, you could. I just usually just keep it on the counter. And then I'm just going to go in, and I'm going underneath that nail bed just to kind of make sure that it's nice and opened up, so that when I stick my nails underneath there, it'll be nice and ready. Just kind of going on top and just roughening up my nail as well. Just like that. And depending on which way you want it to go, you can change it by pressing forward or reverse, depending on what hand you're doing. Okay, so after you're done roughing up your nails and everything, you can take this little duster, make sure it's all dusted off nicely. Go ahead and open this up. And then I'm going to take this one right here. And I'm going to roughen up the inside of my nails now. So I take each nail that I'm going to apply, and then I just go in the inside and just give it a good little sanding to give it something for my nails to grip onto. And this is how I get a really long wear out of these press-on nails, because then I super glue them on and they ain't coming off. And they last so long and just so much better. So as you can see, I take the nail and I push it underneath my cuticle. You see how far that is? It's about a couple centimeters. And then I'm just going to make sure the nail and my nail is nice and clean. Put a little dot of glue and spread it around, making sure that it's really coated. Try to center it. Push under and then down and hold for a few seconds. And as you can see, that is what you're left with. Now, sometimes it does get a little tender and I just take some ibuprofen and then by the next day, I'm not in pain anymore. But sometimes when I get my nails professionally done, it does the same thing. Just because I'm like really shoving them in there. But this is how I get them to last so long. You can see I kind of push down and then kind of pull up to make sure that I'm really just getting down in there. Let me add this. Make sure that it's fully coated. Push in. And then down. And as you can see, that is what my nails look like completed. Definitely works great. I give it a 10 out of 10. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.